Hi, my name is Nurul Hidayah. So my team members is Taufik Rosli, Nurin Farzana, and Nadia Husna. So we are going to present our project part 1 and part 2 about PMP draft system.
In a workplace, the workstation is the hub where all the different steps needs to make some things come together. Skilled workers, high-tech equipment, and exact method with all together in the dynamic setting up transform the material into the finished good. Workstations are carefully set up to get the best quality and the speed. They come with the right tool, machine, and safety rule during the production process. Each workstation is set up to the specific job like a CNC, assembly, expectation, or packaging. Workstation is the modern workplace are very important for making sure that customer always get the high quality goods. They do this by focusing on the accuracy, new idea, and the following industry standard. What is the problem is with the human interaction. The first problem is getting the goods up. People who work in the container may find it's hard to lift the hydraulic pumps out the container. The second step is to bring the item to the move CNC. The current setup of the workbench involves moving item to the CNC machine. The third step is to set up the CNC. People who work in machine are spent and tired. To set up CNC machine takes a lot of time because people have to stand and move around straightly for a long time. When the worker finishes delivering a product, they are in pain and tired from their work. The same things happen over and over for a long time. Last but not least, typing in the product information on the computer makes operator uncomfortable and tired of telling the computer things.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nadia Husna binti Muhammad Asri. Matrix B05211014A. So for task analysis and human interaction issue. First, lifting the product from container. So the employer will lift the products from the container. The human interaction issue that can happen here is when the employee bend their bodies, it will be linked to the pain and stiffness to your body. And second, carry the product to the CNC machines. After take the product from the container, the employee will bring the product to the CNC machines. These issues can be lead to the pain in hand because we carry the product that the heavy weight. And third, setting the CNC machines. So before the machine start, employee need to settings the machines, and while you setting the machines, you need to stand in a long period so it can make your body feel stiffness. So number 4 is deburring the product. So when you are make a debur process, you need to bang your body and test to see the product is clean or not. So when you bending your body, it's have issue with your waist and will cause the pain to your shoulder and waist. So next, last but not least, key in product status in the computer. The employees need to always key in data or status for progress the product. So when you make the key in data for in a long period, it will be cause your eyes fatigueness because you need to grace to the computer in the long time.
So for performance factor, we are separate into two aspects, which is the first one is evaluation of effectiveness and efficiency that include worker feedback and task completion time. And then the second one is evaluation safety and health that include the risk assessment and hazard identification.
There are two main points of evaluation of benchmark. So firstly is design of performance requirement, and secondly is design implementation. For performance requirement, there are 4 points that are important to evaluate. So firstly is height of container, to make sure the placement of handles to minimize bending and reaching. Secondly, a clear pathway for safe and ergonomic movement between the wire container and CNC machine. Thirdly is workstation with adjustable height. This is for delivering the product, so the workers are in ergonomic position and not in strain anymore. Fourth is adjustable chair, proper posture and reduce the risk of back and neck pain while keying the data entry. For design improvement implementation, there are 4 points too. So firstly is task analysis and ergonomic assessment, which is conduct a detailed analysis of each task to identify ergonomic stress and opportunity for improvement. Secondly is research and benchmark to research best practice and ergonomic standard applicable to the manufacturing industry. And thirdly is training and communication, which is we develop prototypes and mock-ups of ergonomic solution for each task. And lastly, continuous improvement.
Part 2 is about topic persona. What is persona? Persona is character or profile represent the behavior or the specific user group or target audience used in design and marketing strategy. So, for example, in the company that we go, the demographic name is Haziq, age 29 years old and gender male. The background is from industry knowledge, and for the skill and knowledge is knowledge of instruments and the procedure of the process that he made.
One idea for making CNC and the brain workstation better is add adjustable comfort features to the way the workstation are set up. This could involve adjusting the height of the work surface and seats to accommodate operate with verified height and prefers and design ergonomic tools, holders and control to minimize strain and fatigue. Adding anti-vibration mount and dampening material may also help lower noise and vibration, making a long-term activity more comfortable for operation. Lastly, adding choice for work lifting and magnification may help with the visibility and accuracy during the difficult deburring tasks. With this design change, we hope to make CNC and deburring workplace safe, more comfortable and more productive for operator.
I will explain the function and form analysis. So our first product is a stand jack that have a white base shape. So one of the primary function of white base is to provide stability and balance to the object it supports. After that, we use steel material. Steel is known for its exceptional strength to weight ratio. It can withstand heavy load and force while remaining lightweight. So our second product is industrial stackable container. So that has a rectangular shape. Rectangular shape container are inherently stable and easy to stock, allowing for efficient use of vertical space. And we use plastic as a material. So the lightweight properties of plastic enhance working performance because it's convenient for worker to handle and lift the container.
Next, for anthropometrics and biomechanic analysis. So for the anthropometrics, the study of human body measurement and propagations, question in design products and environments that fits the device range of human size and shapes. For these cases, that we can see that have 3 tasks that involve the anthropometry, which involve the height and body dimensions of a person to reach the products during the work process. So for biomechanic is into the mechanical aspect of exploring how force, motions, and structure interact within biological system. So in this project that we can see, I have 2 tasks that involve the biomechanics. So biomechanics have a 3 class of lever system, which is first, second, and third. So in this case, we can see that have 2 class that are involved in the biomechanic, which is first class lever system and third class of lever system.
So I will explain the user interface into mapping aspect. So the first one is stand jack, which height adjustment control. If the stand jack is adjustable in height, the user interface should include intuitive control for raising and lowering the jack. This control should be easy to reach and operate without requiring excessive force and equipment position, that minimizing the risk of strain or injury. So after that is industrial stackable container. So which clear labeling and identification of container are essential for efficient inventory management and logistics. If include provision for attaching label, tag or barcode to containers, as well as clear surface for writing or affixing additional identification markers. So the third is adjustable trolley, which adjustability An ergonomic trolley should offer adjustable features such as height, handlebar, and serving position. This ensures that worker can customize the trolley to their specific needs, minimizing strain for awkward posture and movement. So the last is operator chair, which seek height adjustment. So the mapping of this adjustment allow worker to position their feet flat on the floor, which means bend at 90-degree angle, promoting proper alignment of the spine and reduce pressure on the lower back and leg.
Performance factor, there are 5 design that we can improve. So firstly is eliminate head of the container to minimize bending and reaching to take the product. So secondly is adjustable CNC display. Short head facing the problem such as uncomfortable posture during work. Is adjustable chair. This is for workers that in the data entry to have good posture. Thirdly is adjustable head chair to promote proper posture and reduce the risk of back and neck pain. So fourthly is adjustable delivering table. Accommodate different operators and tasks while key in the data. Adjustable wheel table. This is to short the distance between the CNC machine and the table.